I'm not good at folding things, but I'd like to be a person who is good at folding things. I actually am like a Marie Kondo evangelist.
Actually, I've never attempted to fold in her way. I think maybe because I was afraid that would take me into sort of like an ultra OCD area.
These are not my clothes, but it looks very much like what my clothes probably do.
When she tells you to do it, she tells you to like express gratitude to your clothes.
I'm not loving this t-shirt that has a kind of creepy cat on it, but I'm going to thank it and then discard it.
I don't know why you would fold a blazer. All right, we're gonna, that does not look right. Do you think Marie Kondo folds her blazers? I don't think so.
I will keep folding the shirt. I don't know how much. And it does not stand up.
I actually keep a lot of my winter gear in like a Rubbermaid bin that has a picture of Jon Snow and says winter is coming.
There, and there, and there. And this does not bring me joy.
Oh, this is easy. This is just a scarf. Pfft, it's just a long piece of fabric. Come on, give me a challenge. I have a lot of questions. Why do we have this? You know what, I like this challenge. I'm gonna be able to do this. This like feels like I'm trying to smother it. Yeah, that's the best I could do. But yeah, there you go.